So I feel like it's been a minute since I've taken you along for a couple of days in my life. There's no better moment than this week because we have some fun stuff coming up. This morning I woke up in Melbourne in my new apartment. Although I have to say I'll be moving out pretty quickly as well, but it's been very fun exploring a new area and I've never lived on my own before. So new chapter, but later this week we'll be flying to Sydney because I got an invitation in the mail from Canon to the release party of the new C50, which is a cinema camera that Canon just released and is a big boy camera. But before we jump on that plane, I've got some house admin stuff to do because my office is an absolute mess and we've got some packages to unpack. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a bird on the roof and it sounds huge. Welcome to Australia. So I've actually got a new studio upgrade, which is the Tech G200. I can just create so many different backdrops here in this little studio, which is great. But I just got something in the mail. Ever since I started using ND filters, it's been pretty life-changing. Okay, so let me show you the magic of these filters. Way too overexposed. Perfectly exposed. And I've also just received something that was long overdue, and that is a new desk because my desk is falling apart. It is so wonky. So I received a new desk from FlexiSpot.
User manual. We don't need instructions. I'll just have a quick look at it.
Don't be embarrassed, you can use the manual.
I'm here against my will.
I would say we set it up pretty quickly and I can raise and lower the desk with the buttons here on the side. I also use it as sort of a flat lay station, so when I'm unpacking something or want to get an overhead shot of me using my laptop, stuff like that. Now I've got the E7 Pro standing desk with the C7 chair. Whoa!
Business class.
Business class seat. How does it feel?
Really weird, but nice.
I feel like I'm at the dentist. And having a good chair is just as important as having a good desk because it supports your neck and your back. And I personally feel like when you walk into a studio space or a workspace, a desk is the first thing you look at. I feel like it's the centerpiece in your studio. Now, if you want some more information about this setup, then make sure to check the link in my description. And that's where you can also find a bunch of discount codes for both the desk and the chair. So tonight I've got a photo shoot with my friend Tash and I have not seen her for a very long time. I thought it'd be fun to challenge myself by using only one lens during this shoot. And I bought this lens 4 years ago. I pretty much spent all of my money on this lens and my Canon R6. 3 months later I bought my 35mm f1.8. So this is the 85mm f2.0. Once it locks in, it is so crazy sharp. That's why I want to use it during a portrait photo shoot. jacket pops. Yeah, this pose is sick. Love it. What we could do is either maybe sitting here, just like looking into that direction, but I'll be shooting from quite high up, so I've got like the ripples, not the crap in the water. Beautiful. Stunning. This is like one of those ideas, I don't know how it's gonna look. Something like this, because you get lit up and I'll be standing like very far away, but it's full body. Yeah, let's do it again. I loved that corner, it was really nice. It's so random, like on some days I feel very comfortable filming in public and other days I feel pretty awkward. Today is an awkward day. I don't know why. Wait, let me put you down. But I've said this before in another video, you know when you feel awkward filming in public, honestly, for other people that see you film, it is just a split second of their day. They'll forget about this moment in the next 5 minutes. Whilst I'm here, like, oh, should I film? And then maybe sometimes I end up not filming and then after I regret it because it would have been a nice moment to film. But these really help because they make it a little less awkward. Yeah, it looks sick. I love it.
Yeah, sure.
Yay! We have microphones. I've never had a microphone. We're double mic now.
Are you gonna sing? Double mic'd.
Probably not.
No.
Probably not. Oh, this is weird. I feel like I'm in my own head. Let me just quickly jump in here to explain a bit more about what I'm actually presenting. So I was asked to do a presentation about shooting open gate. And if you don't know what this is, don't worry, because I also did not know until I looked into it. It pretty much means that you're using all of your sensor to capture a video. And the C50 can capture that in 7K, 12 bits, raw, big files. Yep. Because you're shooting so wide, because it's a ratio of 3:2, you can crop both vertical and horizontal, which for me is great when doing YouTube videos because I can create a vertical video and a horizontal video at the same time. Now you know, and that's what I did a presentation about. So to showcase how I shot with open gate, I had the honor to shoot with the new C50 before it came out, and I created this video. So did we like it? I would love to hear your thoughts. But because this video is shot in open gate, I could also make a vertical version of this video without actually putting in any extra effort. That was a quick 24-hour trip to Sydney. I really want to thank Canon as well for the opportunity. I honestly feel like, now that I think about it, this video is a little bit full circle moment because we did a photo shoot with the first Canon lens I ever bought, and at the end of the video we did a presentation at the release party at Canon's headquarters, which was pretty freaking awesome. And it was very nice to take you along for the ride as well. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I also hope to see you at my next one. Okay, bye bye!